It's bonfire night. Let's make some fireworks in a jar. You will need vegetable oil, a container, a jar, food coloring, water and a fork. Pour water in the jar, then pour oil in the container. Add a few drops of food coloring in the container. The food coloring and oil are immiscible, meaning they can't mix. Use the fork to break up the food coloring droplets into smaller spheres. Now for the fun part. Add the oil into the water. The food coloring is denser than the oil, so it sinks into the water, where it dissolves, leaving a beautiful trail that looked like fireworks.